Ever wondered how ancient civilizations kept track of time, traded goods, or built monuments? Well, that is what we're going to be talking about in this video, the number system. In this video, we uncover what a number system is and why we need a number system. In a world where patterns and shapes surround us, humans have always sought to understand and describe them. Our ancestors needed to keep track of things like the number of animals in the flock or the amount of food or fruits gathered. They used tally marks, a simple but effective way to count and record. As civilizations progressed, they needed better ways to write numbers. So different cultures made their own number systems, each with its own special way of doing things. But what exactly is a number system? A number system is a set of rules and relationships that allow us to represent, manipulate, and communicate numerical information. Think of a number system like a language. Just like English, Yoruba, Igbo, or Hausa have rules on how words are formed and used, number systems have rules for how numbers are written and are used. In languages, we use letters to make words. In number systems, we use symbols to make numbers. Manipulating numbers is like using words to make sentences. Just like you can add words together to make a story, you can add, subtract, multiply, and divide numbers to solve problems. For example, if you have 3 apples and let's say you get 2 more apples, you now have 3 plus 2, which gives you 5 apples in total. Numbers help us share information just like languages do. For example, when you tell your friend you scored 10 goals in the game, you are communicating a number. The number system makes sure everyone understands what 10 means. I'm sure the answer of the previous question has already given us a hint of the answer to this question. One reason why we need a number system is to represent quantities. Let's say you go to the market to buy tomatoes. Without numbers, how would you tell the seller how many tomatoes you need? You might say, I want some tomatoes, but how many is some? 5, 10, or 20? Without numbers, it will be confusing for both you and the seller. Well, at the market, you can say you want 10 tomatoes, and the seller knows exactly how many you need. Another reason why we need a number system is to keep track of time. Let's assume that you're in school. How do you know what time your class starts if there were no numbers? Your teacher might say class starts after a while, but what does a while mean? Without numbers, we won't know when to start or finish anything. Well, for those of you in school, you know that class starts at 8 AM or 9 AM and ends at 3 PM. So basically, the number system gives us a way to quantify things and also keep track of time, which helps us to be organized. Alright guys, that wraps up this video. If you enjoyed it, go ahead and smash the like button and share it to anyone who might find it useful. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to my channel by clicking the subscribe button below. In the next video, we'll be talking about number bases, which are a special type of number systems.